What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Teepublic. This is a print-on-demand company where they let artists upload their artwork onto their products and you could sell them internationally. So if you are a creative person or you want to start like a side hustle selling some merch, definitely check out this video. So I just want to share how my experience has been with Teepublic and why I think it's a great site to start your merch or t-shirt side hustle. So the site is fairly simple, fairly clean. It has its blog. This is the type of stuff that sells. So you're looking at little illustrations and artwork, not much text designs, but mostly, kind of unique artwork. So if we have a look up the top sellers, you can have an idea what sells really well on this website. They also have a blog section where they have a lot of information for you to be successful if you decide to work with them. So if you're a designer, they'll have designing tips, marketing tips. Now you also don't necessarily have to be a designer. You can be an affiliate and you can promote other people's artwork. And if you bring someone from outside into the Teepublic marketplace and convert a sale, you get a percentage of that sale. So let's have a look at my store. This is my store in Teepublic. I just recently did a couple of designs about the truckers, this current event that's happening here in Canada with the truckers. And I got 2 sales just recently with that. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now, some of these designs I've created and some of them I have licensed to. I'll show you where I'm getting some of the licensed artwork from, as well as some places you can create your own designs. The other great thing about Teepublic is that you can actually help sell other people's design on your storefront. So let's say I like this design here. I can promote it on social media, get them to land on my storefront. And if they purchase this design, which I haven't created, but I can get a little bit of the royalties because I brought the customer into Teepublic. So since I am an affiliate with Teepublic, I can get some money selling other people's designs. So currently I'm using Vexels as where I'm purchasing license of artwork to sell on other marketplaces. So if I want to sell this wannabe my Valentine design, I can just pretty much download it. I get the license to it and I can share it or upload it into several marketplaces. You can also request designs and create designs on this site. So another site I use to get images from so I can put it on Teepublic is Placeit. So as you can see, I can change things up here, use different words, kind of play around with these designs. They have also a design section where you can create your own designs. The good thing about Placeit is they also have a lot of mock-ups. So once you have your design, you can place it onto t-shirts, mugs, cell phone cases. So it does have a lot of mock-ups so you can use for marketing material. Now, Placeit and Vexels are sites you need to pay to get access to their features. But a good site to get started is Canva. So you can get a free account. So I have the free account. I can create, t-shirt designs right here, let's say. So Canva is really good for marketing your stuff. So when you want to create some marketing material so you can send traffic into your storefront in Teepublic, Canva is amazing for that. Here we have the t-shirt section. And then for the most part, you can use some of these, which are free. Change it up, kind of give it your own spin, and then you can upload it onto your Teepublic account. So I'm just going to upload a design and show you the process. So I do believe it's the Chinese New Year's, February 1st, I think. And it's going to be the year of the tiger. So I got a tiger design from Vexels. Right, so I got my tiger uploaded. And in here, we're going to be putting a design title, main tag, description, and supporting tags. So now once I have this section filled out, just going to make sure the design is in its right place. I can move the design around right here and align it here. So making sure it's centered. And usually I put the design a little higher than in the middle. I like using black for the most part. Now stickers sell fairly well, so make sure your stickers are looking good because I do get a good amount of sales from stickers. For the most part, Teepublic does a fairly good job, kind of putting these designs into individual products. So I'm happy how it's looking. And now I'm just going to publish it. All right, so I have my design loaded, ready to go. It's on a discount. It's on a sale today for $14. Let's see how I can promote this. Let's see where it is. Oh, so right here, I can share my design on, you can share it anywhere, but these are nice little kind of shortcuts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. I'm going to put all of this information in the description area. So all the websites I've been referring to in this video, as well as I'm going to add my Fiverr account. So if you're interested in hiring a designer, please add me, communicate with me if you are interested. And I am thinking of starting up my Fiverr account and maybe offering my design services. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until the next video.